The stress arch ball builds the arch location into the nail and reinforces the stress area of the nail. Place the ball in the middle of the nail. With the tip of the brush, work the product toward the cuticle, shaping the product, then brush forward to complete the nail shape. As the product is setting, remove the nail form and create the C-curve. The C-curve is the concave arch from nail groove to nail groove, which is seen when looking down the barrel of the nail from the free edge. It strengthens the structure of the nail and secures the stress location. The degree of C-curve in the artificial nail depends on the C-curve of the natural nail. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Complete the nail application with the EzFlow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. Using the White Tiger profile, file the sidewall straight out from the nail groove, making sure the nail is straight out of the nail groove. Repeat on the other side of the nail. Using the EzFlow 100 grit White Tiger file, shape the free edge of the nail to the desired shape. Holding the White Tiger horizontal to the sidewall, file the lower arch straight out from the nail groove. Repeat on the other side of the nail. Finish defining the shape with the 150 grit Gray Wolf profile. Start filing over the top of the nail and begin to contour file the nail. File the arch area by first working your way toward the cuticle area. Carefully file out the cuticle area, being cautious not to come in contact with the skin. Bevel the free edge of the nail to refine the convex portion of the C-curve, working toward the middle of the nail. Repeat the contour filing using the 180 grit Gray Fox. File graduation is important to remove file marks and to achieve a high shine. Buff the nails and remove the final demarcations using the Sand Shark Pro Buffer. Buff the nails to a high shine using the EzFlow Pro Shine Buffing Block. This ensures a perfect finish. Apply EzFlow Essential Oil Plus to the cuticle area. Lightly massage the Essential Oil Plus into the cuticles and hands, and then have the client wash their hands. Apply 2 coats of EzFlow UV30 Top Coat to seal the acrylic nails. Begin the EzFlow Perfection French with Clear Overlay application with the preparation procedures for nail tip application. The selection of an oversized tip during your French tip sizing process may be necessary to prevent having too much of a taper in your end result. Apply EzFlow brush-on resin in the well of the tip. Rock the tip on from the free edge toward the cuticle to eliminate air pockets. Cut the tip with 1 cuts to the desired length. For French tips, shape the sides and the free edge with a 150 grit Gray Wolf file. Once you have finished shaping, lightly buff the surface of the tip with a 240 grit Sand Shark file. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply EzFlow primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of EzFlow primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. Using EzFlow clear powder, apply 1 ball in the middle of the nail plate. Work the ball into the cuticle area using the tip of the brush and begin to pull forward over the free edge using the barrel of the brush. Apply a second ball of clear acrylic to build the arch location and to reinforce the stress area. Begin by patting this ball into the cuticle area. Remember that your concentration is in creating an arch location and lightly stroke the product forward. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Be sure to pinch completely through the molding stage to ensure the tip does not force the nail to flare. Complete the nail application by following the EzFlow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. Begin the EzFlow Boogie Nights overlay with leisure glass tip application with the preparation procedures for nail tip application. For half-well tips, Shape and gently blend the tip with the surface of the nail plate using a 150 grit gray wolf to eliminate the line of demarcation. Begin blending by filing in one direction over the top of the nail to remove the outer layer of the tip. File graduation will give you proper blending between the natural nail and the tip. Once you have blended the tip, finish by using 180 grit gray fox over the tip. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply EzFlow primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of EzFlow primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. Using Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic Powder 108, apply one ball in the middle of the nail plate. Work the ball into the cuticle area using the tip of the brush and begin to pull forward toward the free edge using the barrel of the brush. Be sure the entire nail is covered evenly. Using clear powder, create the arch location and overlay the entire nail. Complete the nail application by following the EzFlow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. To create the ultimate finish, apply your UV30 on the top surface of the nail as well as under the free edge. This will intensify the glitter. Begin the EzFlow Fun French Sculptured Nails application with the preparation procedure for sculptured nails. This nail is great for covering damaged nail plates, extending the length of the nail bed for nail biters, or just having some fun with our design products. Fun French sculptured nails are achieved through a 3-section application technique. Ball 1. Using pastel-colored powder pansy, cover the nail plate in one ball. Very thin application at the cuticle area. Reverse define the smile line using the tip of the brush, making sure there is no product in the nail groove. Ball 2. Using Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic 112 or any of the Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic, sculpt the free edge of the nail. Pat with the barrel of the brush into the nail groove and sidewalls while pushing this product up to the predefined smile line. Create your desired length of nail with the side of the tip. Ball 3. Use clear powder to cap the entire nail while at the same time creating the arch location and structure for the nail. Begin by patting into the cuticle area and then stroke over the free edge. Apply a second ball of clear powder to reinforce the free edge. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Cure time, 5 minutes. Complete the Fun French Sculptured Nails application by following the EzFlow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. It is recommended that UV30 is applied to the top surface as well as